In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Zillow app 2026 guide. If you're house hunting or searching for a rental, this app gives you real-time access to millions of listings, immersive 3D home tours, and personalized search alerts. The setup is quick, and I'll walk you through it so everything goes smoothly. First, head to your phone's official app store. On an iPhone, unlock your device and open the Apple App Store. For the newest features, make sure your phone is running iOS 18 or later. On Android, unlock your device and open the Google Play Store. A quick tip before you begin: connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and make sure you have a little storage space available, which helps the download complete without interruptions. Next, use the store's search bar and type Zillow. You'll see a list of results, so take a moment to identify the official app. Look for the recognizable blue house logo and confirm it's published by Zillow.com. This helps you avoid lookalike apps. Checking the developer name, app rating, and number of reviews is a simple way to verify you've got the real thing. You'll also see that the app is free, with optional in-app features. Tap the Zillow listing to open its details page, then start the download. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get, and if prompted, confirm with your device's usual method. Keep the store open until the progress bar completes. When it's done, tap Open right from the store or find the new Zillow icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. If you don't see it immediately, use your phone's search feature to locate Zillow. When the app launches for the first time, it will ask for location access. Choose Allow so it can show you homes and rentals near you and refine results based on your current area. You can adjust this later in your device settings if needed. To make the most of Zillow, sign in or create a free account. This lets you save favorite listings, receive instant price drop alerts, and use the buyability budget estimator to get a sense of what might fit your finances. After that, begin your search. Use filters to narrow by price, number of bedrooms, and specific neighborhoods. Explore 3D tours when available, and save your searches so new matches are sent to you automatically. And that's it. You've downloaded Zillow and completed the basic setup, so you're ready to explore the market with powerful tools right in your pocket. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.